The Young and the Restless spoilers. Baby Aria is deaf. Mariah and Tessa reel over hearing test results. The Young and the Restless spoilers reveal that Mariah Copeland and Tessa Porter will take Aria Porter Copeland to the park, where a thunderstorm will unexpectedly roll in. It looks like Aria will be sleeping in her baby carrier or stroller when a major thunderclap catches Tessa and Mariah off guard. It'll be so loud that Mariah and Tessa are surprised to find that Aria didn't wake up from the noise. Of course, some babies are just deep sleepers, so Tessa and Mariah will brush it off initially. It won't be until later that the moms really start to worry something's up. There'll be another big boom of thunder right as Mariah and Tessa enter crimson lights, but Aria will once again sleep through it. At that point, Tessa and Mariah will begin to fret over Aria's hearing. READDS. Find out what happens next on Young and Restless. After Sharon Rosales gets updates on the situation, she'll offer reassurance and mention that Faith Newman was also a deep sleeper as a baby. Sharon will try to act like there's no reason to be concerned, but Mariah and Tessa won't be able to shake their instincts here. That's especially true since Aria hasn't been responding to her name being called, which is something most babies are doing at her age. Even so, Sharon will point out that every baby goes at his or her own speed. Since Sharon is often the calm voice of reason, she'll try to keep Tessa and Mariah from completely spinning out. Since Mariah and Tessa will still seem so tense, Sharon will make a suggestion. Once Sharon advises the moms to make an appointment and get Aria's hearing tested, Tessa and Mariah will move forward with that plan immediately. Naturally, Y&R wouldn't be setting up a storyline like this if it weren't going somewhere. It seems likely that Aria is indeed deaf, or that she at least has some hearing impairment. The Young and the Restless spoilers say Aria's hearing test results will lead to some other hurdles. So stay tuned to see how Mariah and Tessa cope with the news. CDL will have other sizzling Young and the Restless spoilers, news and updates to check out, so visit us often for other Y&R info. Thanks for watching this videos. Please hit the subscribe button for more update news.